Surprise! Come on! Hands behind your head, fingers clenched, now! What is that shit? Get over there! Brother! Sorenson! I got him! I got Jarmin!
What do you need him for, huh? Huh? Why don't you just...
No, buddy. This is his kill. Means a lot to him. Sorenson!
Here. Come on out! I'm gonna throw her to the tigers. You're wrong, Rick, if you think I won't do it. Don't you even want to what? I'd hate for you to miss this.
I can't hold on.
Yes, you can. Come on, honey. You can do it. Just, come on. You just pull me toward you.
I'm sorry, I can't get you out of this.
Yeah, me too. Because I'm free now. I could marry you.
You liar, you would marry me.
I could. If you just put a little extra effort in.
A little extra effort.
Shit, instead of just standing there watching the father of your children become tiger meat.
Children?
Children.
Rick, are you all right, honey? Are you all right?
Who are you?
Rick, look at me. Rick, look at me. I'm Marianne. Remember we were going to get married and have children? Remember?
I'm pleased to meet you, Marianne.
You dirty rat. Why are you trying to weasel out of this one? You're not going to weasel out of this one right now. I'm going to sue you for